Under Article 11, Section 3, Paragraph 5 of the Constitution, no impeachment proceedings shall be initiated against the same official more than once within a period of 1 year.
So nagbago sila ng rules.
According to the decision, the 1-year bar is reckoned from the time an impeachment complaint is dismissed or is no longer viable.
Ngayon, ang sinasabi ng Korte Suprema, dapat sinunod yung pag-include sa order of business nung tatlo. Nung na-hold yung tatlong impeachment complaint sa Secretary General, yun yung naging loophole nila Sara Duterte. I'm shocked. This is really an interesting development. So ngayon, mga kababayan, binabago nila yung rules. Kasi before, mga kababayan, meron po kasing decision ang Supreme Court. Matagal na. Francisco versus House of Representatives. This is so weird. Ganito ba ka-influential ang Duterte? Pati Supreme Court?